Student who accused Chinmayanand of rape sent to jail in extortion case. Prime Minister Modi gets Global Goalkeeper Award for Swachh Bharat campaign from Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. We can talk to Pakistan but not Terroristan, says Jai Shankar in United States. We will have trade deal with India soon, says Donald Trump. Situation is very bad in the valley, says Ghulam Nabi Azad on reaching Jammu. Never been to jail, will be pleased to go. Pawar after ED books him. Won't allow driverless cars in India as it takes away jobs, says Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari. Court orders accommodation for Unnao rape survivor's family in Delhi. Death toll mounts to 25, hundreds injured as earthquake hits Pakistan. Aftermath photos shows mass destruction. Delhi government announces free 200 units electricity for tenants. We can't attack India. Clearly that is not the option, says Imran Khan. Great if Modi and Imran can work out something in Kashmir, says Donald Trump. United Nations chief warns of divided world between US and China. Saudi Arabia to waive expat fees for industrial companies. Thinking to replace smartphones with basic ones. Supreme Court Judge Deepak Gupta on tech drawbacks. Maruti Suzuki cuts car prices days after government slashes corporate tax. Much awaited OnePlus TV to launch tomorrow along with OnePlus 7T. Amazon launches initiative to bundle multiple virtual assistants on single device. Qualcomm resumes trade with Huawei, starts shipping chipsets. PhonePe takes BharatPe to Delhi High Court over trademark infringement. Hyderabad breaks 100-year-old monsoon rain record for September. Roads flooded and low-lying areas waterlogged. Commissioner of Metro Rail Safety begins probe after woman killed at Hyderabad Metro Station. Hyderabad becomes second costliest for petrol, diesel as prices continue skyrocketing. Mother gets 1 year jail for thrashing toddler in Hyderabad. Sania Mirza lost 24 kgs in 4 months. Her weight loss transformation video goes viral. Presidential level security greets Sri Lankan team in Pakistan. Umesh Yadav replaces injured Bumrah for South Africa series. Saqib Mahmood and Tom Batten included in England squad for New Zealand tour. Bangladesh Afghanistan shares trophy as rain washes out Tri-Series final. Afghanistan skipper wants to play more often with top teams. Can't do much if referee supports home wrestler, complains Bajrang Punia. Amitabh Bachchan selected for Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Congratulations pour in. Telugu actor Venu Madhav passed away. Salman Khan receives death threat on social media. I feel Shah Rukh Khan is fantastic in whatever he does, says Imran Hashmi.